Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy chicken noodle soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, like tender chicken, crisp vegetables, and your favorite noodles. We'll start by building a robust flavor base, then gently cook the chicken and vegetables. Finally, we'll introduce the creamy element and noodles, simmering everything to a comforting perfection. This recipe is perfect for a cozy meal. To begin, sauté your diced carrots, celery, and onions in a large pot until they are wonderfully soft and fragrant. Next, pour in about 8 cups of quality chicken broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Now is the time to add your favorite herbs, such as a pinch of dried thyme and a bay leaf, to infuse the broth with deep flavor. Then, add your chicken pieces and cook them until they are fully done. Once your chicken is cooked, remove it from the pot and shred it into bite-sized pieces. Now, for the creamy magic, slowly whisk in about 1 cup of heavy cream or whole milk into your simmering broth. This creates that luscious texture. Then, add your egg noodles and cook them according to package directions, usually for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are perfectly tender. Finally, stir the shredded chicken back into the soup. Before serving, taste your creamy chicken noodle soup and adjust any seasonings to your preference. A little salt and pepper can make a big difference. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or dill for a pop of color and flavor. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of warm, crusty bread. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.